Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to share a secret tips, and that is how to research for t-shirt designs. Like we can see some this kind of t-shirts. These are very much difficult and a lot of vector works, and there are some very simple and easy to make t-shirt designs. Now which one should you pick? Like these are really good designs, but for making this kind of designs you will need a lot of experience and need a lot of time. But these are just funny lines. You can pick any funny lines and just make a design from those text. Now how to find this kind of designs or how to research idea for t-shirt designs? So from my experience I often do this, and that is I just go to Instagram. You can see this is my Instagram profile. I am not very much active here, but when you are making designs for your print on demand store or for your any other need, you need to know what kind of designs you are making and who will buy your designs. If you know or if you can do some research about your buyers, then you will get a perfect idea of what kind of design you should make. Like if you want to make a t-shirt designs on fishing, then you can come to Instagram and then do a search like fishing, not fishing t-shirt, just fishing. Then you will get a lot of posts. These are all related to fishings. So these are the people who used to fish and we used to make designs for them. They are our buyers. If we can just take this picture for example, this is the kind of people who go for fishing, and we think that we will make a awesome fishing design and some American buyer or some buyer will brought them, buy them. But before doing that you need to learn about your buyers. You have to learn about their lifestyles. Like if I take this picture here, I can see there is a lot of people likes this image, like 230. So if I click here, I will get that list. Whoever liked this picture or this image related to fishing, they also love fishing. Like we can see here, this man is also a fisherman. He also do fishing. Like this one here, something kind of this one here. So if I go to this first person's profile, we can see these are the people. Even he do huntings too. That means you can see sometimes we made some designs like deer hunting and fishing. So look at this, these are the people who used to go for fishing and hunting. So these are our buyers, we are making designs for them. Now we have to learn about them, we have to learn about their lifestyles. Like if I see this picture, you can see he is wearing a t-shirt. This is a sweatshirt actually, but look at these designs. These are not very much complicated designs. Like if I go to his another picture, you can see this is also a simple design. You can see this one here. These are all simple and clean designs. So sometimes we make something like very much structured design like this one, some badass kind of designs, and we think that the people who will go fishing or hunting, they love this kind of designs. But before that you need to know why I am making design and who will buy this. So you need to learn their lifestyle, what kind of designs they wear, what kind of t-shirts they used to wear, and what kind of designs they have on their t-shirts, and that will help you know about their lifestyles. Like this is another profile. This one is also for also on fishing. This man is also love fishing. Maybe he don't have any t-shirt design, t-shirt wearing, no problem, we can go the next one. Okay, this profile is locked, so we cannot see that, but that doesn't matter. That it's not like that everyone will be the same. I have make a search, and these are some another ideas I found. We can see this one here too. They are also wearing some t-shirts, but you can see they are wearing some branded t-shirts like Adidas t-shirts, or maybe somewhere else they are wearing a, this is a team jersey, so that is not in t-shirt design category. We can see this one here, Calvin Klein. These are all branded t-shirts. So these people used to wear branded t-shirts, or but the main idea that I want to share, that is people in their real life they love to wear something simple and clean. That's how you can take some idea from. Like this one is a nurse profile. If I am working for a nurse, then I need to know about their lifestyle. This is a woman and she is also a nurse. And if I if we see his profile, this is she with his dress or something like that, nursing kind of. But if I see where he is wearing a t-shirt like this one, you can see these are really, this also is a deer t-shirt design, but these are really simple designs. And these are the people who used to buy our t-shirt designs from different stores. Like this one here, just a simple text nurse in her t-shirt design. Another pic I found here where she was wearing something else, but you can see this one, there is a hoodie also, but that is not too much vectorized work or too much kind of complex design. You can see this one here, life, and then skin, and that crossed out chains. That means these are the kind of designs people used to buy in their real life. And now you may think that, okay, then if people only buy some kind of simple designs, then why people make this kind of complex design? Of course they also buy this kind of designs too. Like this one here, you may think that this man is wearing this t-shirt, but actually not. This is just a mock-up made. Someone took his image or captured him standing somewhere, then placed this t-shirt design on his back. I know how to do this kind of works. These are called realistic mock-ups. So it's okay, you can, if you can make this kind of designs, these are good. But you cannot, then don't worry about that. Try working with simple text and text based designs too. I always tell people who message me that learn the text first, then you will learn the vector easily. Okay, then here is here was some another design I wanted to share. This is a male nurse. Okay, he is also a nurse, but if I see his profile here, I need to just find some ideas of what kind of designs this kind of people use in their real life. Like this is a something kind of a squad design. They are team jersey type designs. I am not going for that. You can see this one here. This is a Nike logo, and then a text is beast. Maybe this man loves to go to gym, that's why. And then if we, you can see this one here. And something I wanted to share here, that is, you can see this is the kind of designs I was talking about, kind of these designs. This same guy who I am researching now, this nurse, he posted like this one, this is me all the way. That means he loves this text. This text is always, this text is actually meaningful to him, or he can relate to this text. But this kind of designs get the likes most, not the sell. You have to understand, you are making a design for selling. Sometimes we found that if we run a paid Facebook advertisement, there is a lot of engagement, people liking and loving, commenting on that design, but that design is not selling. That's because anyone cannot just open some kind of slang kind of designs in a public place, or they don't want to do like this, but they used to like this kind of designs. So that's why they post this kind of design on social media, or when they see some kind of post like this, they give a like there, but they don't purchase the design. Okay guys, so if you can see he liked this one, but I never found any design like that kind of he is wearing in his real life. So that is what I wanted to share for this video now. that how to research ideas and how to understand your buyers. If you can understand your buyer, you can make a good business on any kind of designs. Like if I make a search like hunting, just do whatever you want, whichever niche you are working with, and find some related pictures, go to that picture, and then I can see this is a good design. These are the kind of huntings we use to make designs for. If I just click here who like this one, then I will get an idea what kind of people will like my designs on this niche. Okay, so if I am going to open their profile, most of the time you will find that profiles are locked. You can see this one here. This is a young boy and he is also a fisherman, like he loves fishing. But if I just look at his t-shirts, these are really simple designs, maybe some brand name here only, no designs at all. So this is I wanted to share that do some research, do research about your buyers, who you are targeting, then you will get sales a lot easier. You can see this one here. We used to design like I am the fishing grandpa or fishing dad, but you can see in real life they really just do not wear that kind of very much texture design, very much vector work designs. So I hope this video will help you guys a lot. You can see here this is a t-shirt. So you can see this design is not a very much professional design, not a very good text work, not a very good vector work, but they brought this because that relates to them. So keep working with text. If you can find the perfect text, then graphics doesn't matter. You can see this graphics here, this is the lowest quality. Maybe I never did that much bad designs ever, so that doesn't matter. They love this text, so they brought these designs, and you can see they are wearing this kind of designs. They are very much very simple, and maybe that's their brand or something like that. They buys a lot of designs on these designs, lot of t-shirt on that designs. You can see here this is a simple fishing t-shirt designs, not very much vector work. So that's how you can find some idea. You will find a great idea of designs or what kind of design you should make, and who will be your buyers and who will buy your designs. You can see these are very easy designs. Okay guys, so that's all for now. This is what I wanted to share with you, how to find, how to generate ideas and do some research about your buyers, who will be your buyers and who will brought designs from you. If you can get your buyers right, your design will definitely sell. So have a great time. See you in the next video. Thank you.